The greatest teacher in my life has been Robert Shetterly, an artist, a teacher, a poet, an activist. Robert is the author of Americans Who Tell the Truth, and in understanding his work, I've come to understand how every American has a truth within them that needs to be told, and that our truths are our ladders, and our ladders are our stories, and our stories are our ladders, and our ladders to success. And within every child, there's a story that needs to be told. The larger story that Robert tells is that the degree to which we resist injustice is the degree to which we are free. And therein lies the basis for my work. And Robert has inspired me and countless others, and I'm thrilled to be painted in his series, but most importantly, to remember that the opposite of courage is not cowardice. The opposite of courage is conformity, because even a dead fish can go with the flow, and it's up to me to make sure that my students are not dead fish, but are swimming eventually and eternally toward a greater global good. So that's what this is all about for me.